The Vendetta C6, a composite barrel joined by DeMarini's half-and-half direct connect power transfer technology to a composite handle. The Vendetta has brought the power inside the handle with a new internal rail system, putting the power in your hands. Add a C6 composite barrel with a balanced feel and a new hubcap, and you have a bat that will send your swing into attack mode. The barrel is constructed from DeMarini's exclusive C6 composite material. It's got a wider weave that's specifically tuned for single-wall barrels, resulting in a more responsive, forgiving barrel that provides the optimum trampoline effect. You don't hit baseballs with this thing, you launch them. The handle is also made from composite material with a built-in internal rails hybrid structure. Bringing the rails inside the handle brings the power closer to your hands, giving you more power and an even better feel. We created it to deliver maximum strength and vibration dampening for a smooth swing and total power. Plus, it's got the DeMarini hubcap, new for 2011. This is a custom-designed internal end cap, exclusively for use with composite barrels. When the energy from the ball impact tries to escape down the end of the bat, the hubcap sends it back to the point of impact, launching the ball from the bat and at the same time dampening the vibration you feel in your hands. The Vendetta C6 from DeMarini. Insane dedication to performance.